Hi everyone, my name is Younes. I'm here. I want to show you how you can create a 3D print model with SolidWorks. For example, we need to create this product. It's wall phone support, so it's easy. Just we need to follow the steps. First thing, we need to create a new project here. I'm sorry because my language in SolidWorks it's French, but I will show you a step by step. It's easy. Just the first thing we need to go here, front face. So for example, we need to get the dimension of our product. I want to make like 17 millimeter, for example. And maybe for way I will choose 150 millimeters because the phone is so tall, you know. So I think my phone is Samsung, for example, it's 160, so I will choose 170. After that, I need to check. Here it's I will make it 80. After we need to go here and here for make it like the thickness of the product. I will choose, for example, 5. 5 is good, and it can support the phone, maybe. Yes. After just, I will see my image, and we need to create a other side from here. For example, I choose 2 line here. You see here where I scroll my mouse, like if you go here, it's just you need to follow like that, for it will be assembled here, you know. After directly you click. For example, the dimension here we can choose like 40. After the thing is 5. Sorry, 5. Yes. You can see here it's a little bit I say the same. After we need to cut this and this here. So just we click here. After directly we need to choose here 3 point of arc like that. For example, we need to choose the dimension of arc, maybe like 10, just for decoration. It's not necessary dimension. Okay, like that. After we need to cut. You can see 5. You can choose 10, like that. It's not care about that. And here we need to click 2, and we need to make an other arc of 3 points like that, and 10, for example, for it will be the same. After just we need to click like that and cut everything like that. You can see here it's now a little bit the same. We need to make this support for the phone, support the phone here, these 2 sides, and this here, and this circle is for decoration too, and we need to type 12 points per. So we need to click here. After this, if you wanted to show this of the side in SolidWorks, you need to go here, and after here and here and directly here. You can find this emoji, the small emoji of this side here. It's the same for you can show that. Now we need to go here, and we need to get the center of this line like that, and after the center here. Yes. After we need to make this here, for example, like that, and for example, just for support the phone. After the tall of the phone is, for example, my phone, it's 10 millimeter. Also, we need to choose like 15 millimeter or 17 millimeter. Like 15, it's enough. After we need to create other one here, like that, and we choose a 5 millimeter. You can see it's so much 5. We need to shoot like 3. After we need to cut this, for it will be like the image. We need to cut like that, like that, like that, just for it will be a little beautiful product. So every time we need to choose the center again, and we need to make this line like that, like that, and after we go here symmetric. So we choose here this line of points, and after we choose this and this and this. Okay, and we need to cut, so it's outside cut like that. After just we need to cut from here. We will see just here 3. You can see. After we need to make this this part here, we need to make it in the other symmetric side. So just we can get this, and after we go here, and after here symmetric, and we need to choose what we do, this and this and this. You can see here, and okay, so it's 2 line. Now we need this here and this and this and this. In French it's congé, so I don't know in English what's it. So we need to go here, and after we need to type here 10 millimeter, here 10 to here and here. Okay, and after we need to choose here too. Here, sorry, I'm sorry, congé again. So this line here and here. Okay, and this side too, and here. It's 40. so much. We need to choose it. It's here 14. So here and here. And we need to choose here is 10 and here it's 10. Okay, so this is it. Now what we have this here. You can see there is a hole for you for the cable of charging, so we need to make a little hole here, symmetric here too, and we need to only type and two hole here for it will be in the well of the room. So we go here. We need to choose the center again. After we go here, or it should be like boom. So the dimension, I think, from here to here. I think in my phone it's like Samsung to 10. So I will choose like 30. And here we can choose like 6 or 7. And after we cut everything. I'm sorry for my English, it's not good, but I do my best for I can give the idea, you know. Okay, here we can choose this side again, so we need it that. And after we need to make a line, a point line. So after we go here in text, what's one skirt? Like that, and just we need to move this in the center of this red. After we need the cut like 2 millimeter. Okay, this is it. After just we need to make a hole here, like that. I cut everything like 5, and we go to kanji again. Here and here we can choose like 2. This is it, our product. It's done. Now if you wanted to print this model in with your 3D printer, so just you need to save this file like STL file. You go here and save, and you go to desktop. After just you need to choose here STL file like full support. Okay, yes, if you wanted to open this with Paint 3D or like any software for 3D show, this is our product 3D. It's ready for printing. Thank you for watching. If you wanna get any other course like that, maybe in the future, like I wanna show you how you make a relief, like 3D relief art, or any other videos about learning the 3D. So just subscribe and see you in other video. Thank you.